straight again. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to make another paper airplane in the Spirit collection. So this paper airplane is also designed based on the Spirit Dragon, and it looks very cool. I hope you guys will enjoy making the plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. So let's do it. First of all, let me flatten the paper down. The next step is I'm going to fold the paper in half. Make sure that our edges are lined up, so I just fold slowly. And on the following step, I will unfold the paper. Now I will start from the upper edge and fold both sides to the center crease. Alright. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now I need to adjust it a little bit because both sides are even, but that's just okay. Just adjust it a little bit so now we have both sides even. Okay, now it's look perfect. On the following step, I'm going to start from this upper tip and fold straight to the edge. Fold the paper down, and now I'm going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I'll start from this tip and fold to this side. We adjust the paper and just press it down. Once you see this corner go straight to the center crease, that's look good, and this corner go to this edge, the end of the edge, that's look good too. Now let's unfold the paper. On the following step, that is very easy. Let's flip the paper over and use this intersection as a reference for straight down. You can see this edge or the crease here match with the crease below. Same thing for this side. The crease on the top match with the crease below. That is what we want. And then you can flip the paper over and start from both edges or the crease here for both creases to the center crease, and then press the paper down. Now you can just adjust the paper for both sides, and now I can fold this upper part down. After I fold the upper part down, I can adjust the wings, the head of the plane. My bad, sorry. So start from this side. I will fold this part up. If you know how to fold the crayon, this is the same technique. So start from this edge, fold to the center. Okay, so let's do it. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. This is very easy. So let me adjust it. Here we go. So this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to leave the paper like this, and I'll fold this part of the paper to our side. So fold to the side. And I'm going to start from this edge here and fold to the center crease. And then fold this part of the paper back. I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, now I can fold this part of the paper back to hold both sides of the paper together. Now just repeat the same fold. I know this is repetitive, but you can do it. Okay, so this is what we have, and I will start from this point. I will estimate about 1.5 inches, and actually you can use this part of the paper as a reference and just make the line draw it up. It's right here. Okay, so we have it right here. I fold this side of the paper out. When I fold it out, I'll use this edge as a reference. As long as the edge matches the corner right here, I will stop. So I just do it slowly. Here we go. So this is what we have. I finished this side. Now I'm going to repeat the same for the other side. Very easy. Same thing here. Draw a line that right here. Okay. Another easy way is just fold the paper in half and fold the wings, but I'll just do it this way. Okay. Now I have 4 wings. This is a very iconic wings of the spirit dragon, as you can see. Now I'm going to flip the paper over. The plan is almost done, so be patient with me. Now fold the paper in half. Just fold the paper in half like this, okay? If this is not even, that means you didn't fold correctly, so I'm going to adjust it. Okay, here we go. I just adjusted. Alright, so it's look much better, and the wings almost even. Adjust it a little bit. Here we go. It's look much better. Now I will start from the upper edge here, for straight to this edge to create a wing. Okay. You can fold down a little bit more, alright? You can fold down a little bit more. Okay, when you fold out, this is the hardest part of the plan, so be careful with it. Here we go. For this wing, I am going to repeat the same fold for the other side. So I'm going to finish this wing as well. So just fold down, adjust it, fold down. Now I have 2 wings of the plan. Now let me open the wings. It's already look awesome. Okay, on the following step, let me fold the paper down, and I'll start from this side of the wing. I'll fold straight up to create the stabilizer. So after I finish this stabilizer, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. It's very simple. I just fold straight up. Here we go. So I finish with the wings. And here you go, guys. This is the new paper airplane. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane. And don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe.